Back to YouTube and TikTok. YouTube Oscar from vlog and Clone Oscar, and on TikTok Austin Clone Oscar YT and my channel. Just my name, Oscar. And today we are doing bird&blend mint pistachio.
Mint pistachio.
In Diet Coke.
See how good it is.
Let's see how good this is. Diet Coke.
You saw the last one?
You saw the last one, the Betcha Driven Diet Coke, that was banging.
Great.
So, I'm going to do 2 heaps there.
Yeah.
1. And I come for bird. Look!
Ooh.
That goes back in my tin.
Yeah. Can I just say the packets are great?
You can also bum in your tongue pocket, guys. No matter what anyone says. We'll be back when this is done. So it's done. Guys, it's done. Cloyton did it on for tasting this herself. I don't like this one much. I might try a bit actually. You know what, guys, I'll try a bit. My papers might change. Yeah. Just as that peppermint tea. Coke.
And the
She likes this one.
I like pep.
Has it worked?
No, it was just my steady.
Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you are, please like, please subscribe on YouTube, please follow on TikTok. Bye.